Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about Instagram Beta for Android. If you want to get the newest Instagram features before they're actually officially released, you can do it using the Instagram Beta version. It's pretty simple and easy to join the Instagram Beta version testers. So let's get started. We open the Google Play Store, we type Instagram, we open the result. Here, right next to developer contact, there's join the beta. So we tap on that and join. Now just close the app and open it again. Again Instagram, open it, and here you can tap on upgrade. Now if you notice there's Instagram beta upgrade. Well, this is it. If you like this video, like it and subscribe to see more.